Knowing how does a baby develop socially will help us a lot in early recognition of autism-like disorders. Like at 1 month of age, a baby just intently watches his mother whenever she talks to him. It's only at 1.5 to 2 months of age that a baby gives a social smile to his mother. Like he smiles back whenever the mother talks to him. And it's very different from a smile of a newborn, which is a spontaneous, non-specific smile. Then at 3 months of age, a baby enjoys looking around, recognizes his mother and anticipates feed from his mother. And then comes the lovely stage of 6 months of age, where a baby becomes a little bit interactive, starts babbling, smiles at his mirror image, laughs aloud when played with. And the best part is he imitates his father, mother or any caretaker who is playing with him, like imitating the tongue protrusion. And 6 months of age is the age where we have to start the solid foods. So here we need to take advantage of this imitation, like we can let him imitate reading books, we can let him imitate eating, and so many things which we can make him learn at this stage. Next 1 month is not so good for baby as well as the mother, because the stranger anxiety sets in, separation anxiety sets in. In most of the cases, mother's maternity leave is over, so mother has to go to work, and that's when the separation anxiety sets in. Baby becomes irritated, agitated most of the times. Whenever we say no to the baby, baby responds by crying or agitating or by throwing temper tantrums. This is the best stage where we can control the temper tantrums of the baby. And how is it done? By ignoring the tantrums at this stage, we can prevent it from becoming severe tantrums in later ages, where it would be difficult to control. Then again comes a beautiful stage of the child development, that is 9 months, where a baby learns to wave bye-bye, baby learns to play peek-a-boo game, and it repeats all those performances which evoke appreciative response from others. Then at 1 year, baby starts understanding our language, like whenever we ask, where is Papa, where is the ball, baby understands, and within next 1 month, he will start pointing to those objects which you are asking. So in a nutshell, the age from 6 months to 1 year is a very crucial age for the baby, and we need to interact with the baby as much as possible. Mind it that no screen time is recommended at this stage, because nothing can replace human to human interaction. Wait for the part 2 of this video for subsequent social milestones of the baby. Bye for now.